everyone, this is Kavita here. Today I am giving some tips how to find job in this pandemic. As the situation changes, we should also make change in our approach to find a job. Let's see what are the tips or ideas that will help you to find a job in this pandemic. Tips to get a job during pandemic. I have listed here around 5 tips. These are all common tips or ideas that everyone knows. But while you are approaching this, you are finding some difficulties or you are not following properly. So here what I have listed, that is network and make new connections, utilize job search sites, remote interviews. These three are very important in this pandemic. These three plays very important roles. And confidence and soft skills and CV, these two are very important while finding job, but not only in pandemic, even in non-pandemic situations. In all the situations, irrespective of pandemic situations, this confidence and soft skill last 2 points will help you. But out of these 5, since I'm explaining pandemic situations, first 3 plays very important role. We'll see what these 3 points and how you need to follow and how it will help you in finding a job. Network and make new connections. Always network plays very important role while finding an opportunities. First, we should find opportunities where openings are available. So how you'll get that information? That information you'll get it through an people who are working in that company. Of course, you'll get it through an HR, but always all the openings you will not get it through an HR. So for that, you should make a connection with the people who are working in the companies. So those people who are working in the company, if any openings are available, they are posting in the social media networks. So here, as I mentioned, everyone is online now. So always everyone is having smartphone, internet. So and all everyone is using Facebook, WhatsApp commonly, and LinkedIn, Twitter. Here these 4 plays very important role to find a job opportunity without contacting an HR. This is very important here. And also here you need to make a network connection with the people who are working in the company so that you'll get an update. So how you'll make a connection with those employees? By connecting through this LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter and WhatsApp. So I will tell you, in LinkedIn, usually we call it as a professional network. This is very important here. LinkedIn, if you don't have a LinkedIn account, please create a LinkedIn account and right now you update your profile. In that LinkedIn, you need to search a groups which is suitable for you. What I mean is, once you logged in a LinkedIn, you in a search bar you search for job openings. Suppose if you are working in a web developer, you just search web developer job openings or web developers job opportunities. For example, if you are working in marketing, then you search job available for marketing or marketing job openings. Like this, with respect to your profession, you need to search a group that is available in LinkedIn and you need to join those groups so that you will get an update directly. That is one point. And another one is, suppose if you get in any information like XYZ company one openings is available, then try to find some employees which are working in that company. If you search in LinkedIn, you will get that information, which employee is working in which company, so that you just send a request to that employee and connect with that employee and ask for the reference. So reference plays very important here. By through reference you will get an opportunities and then you can go for the further process. Here making new connections and network plays very important role. So as I explained in the LinkedIn, similarly you can do in the Facebook, Twitter as well as WhatsApp. In Facebook also, there are so many groups available in the Facebook. Best example for is BJS, that is Bangalore Job Seekers. In this group you will get all the job openings available, up to date you will get it, and you can contact that person and you can connect with them and ask for the reference. Employees will do the reference. Similarly, in Twitter, in WhatsApp also nowadays there are groups are available, like HR team group, Angular group, JavaScript group, market professional group, and then account groups. Like this, so many groups available in WhatsApp. Why I'm telling this social media networks is because everyone is using these every day. So it will help you to get an update as and when. Since you have a mobile in your hand, always you can search job openings and you can contact to a person and you can apply for that position. Next one is utilize job search sites. See, before you go for an interview, first thing is you should get an interview call. So how you will get an interview call? For that you need to apply for that positions. To apply for that position, you should get some reference from an employee who is working in that company, or you should get a call from an HR. These are the ways how you can apply for the job openings. So first one, what I have explained, network connection, that will help you to find a reference from the employee who is working in that company. Another way is utilize job search site. This is the old method that everyone knows, like everyone is using Naukri, Monster, and then job.com, career, like this. So many job search sites are available. In these sites you need to upload your resume and then you will get a call from an HR. Here simply if you upload your resume you will not get a call, for sure I'm telling. Here also you should follow some steps how to upload your resume in Naukri, and here your skills plays very important role while you are uploading your resume in a Naukri. If you are not mentioning your skills properly, for sure you will not get a call from any of the HR. For example, if you are working as a Java developer, you have to mention all the skills with respect to Java, not only Java. In that Java, what are the other skills? Suppose JDBC you have and SpringNet we have, and then like this we have so many things comes under Java, and everything you need to mention in that Naukri profile. Not only Naukri, all the job sites search, you need to mention your skills properly. Based on that skills only you will get a call from HR. So here I have mentioned around 5 to 6. Among these, Naukri is good, and then Monster and Angel List. Angel List is also a good job search sites. If you want to work in a startup company, you should go with this Angel List. Here so many startup companies are looking for an candidate. We will get so many opportunities in this Angel List. Like this you can go with the other job search sites also. Whatever the job search sites you go, please remember, mention your skill set properly and mention your domain, mention your which project you are working correctly, or previously which project you worked as a fresher. Since whatever the project you worked in your engineering or college days, you mention that project and mention the skills that you have used in that project. That plays very important role to get a call from an HR. And last one is remote interviews. Of course, whatever I explained till now, these two, this will common in non-pandemic also a little bit, but this remote interview, this is like very important in this pandemic situations. Why? Because no interviews is going on face to face. All the interview process is going on remotely. That means you are not going to an office to attend any of the interviews. Even from the first round till the last round, everything is going remotely. So for this, what steps or what basic things you need to consider is, one is you should know how to face an like online interviews. Even though you got a call or you have very good skill, you have more knowledge, but if you don't know how to face online interview, then again it's you are losing your one more opportunities. So what I want to say here is, before you attend any remote interviews in this pandemic, first you should have one mock interview. Mock interview means, before you are going to attend interview directly for yourself, you ask questions yourself and you answer the questions, or else ask your friends, brothers, sisters, or anyone to take your mock interview by yourself. That plays very important role here. And another one is, you should have smile on your face, or be ready, or set up your space. Means, whenever you are giving an interview face to face, don't be with a sad face. That also creates some good or bad impression on you. So always, whenever you say hi, hello, just have a smile on your face and be ready with all your steps and your space. That means, suppose if they ask you to present your screen and write some coding, you should be ready with your laptop, charger, internet, very good internet, and notebook, and whatever the stuffs you needed while attending the interview, you should be ready with that. And always listen carefully what interviewer is asking. Don't be blindly sitting and answering the questions. So first listen what they are asking and then try to answer that, and have eye contact. This is also important. Actually, while facing an interview remotely, it is very difficult to have an eye contact. But if you have an eye contact with that person, then you will get some confidence. Even that person is also will get some confidence on you, so that even if you don't know answer correctly 100%, whatever you know, if you know 50%, you answer that correctly within confidence. That will give you an positive points. So present yourself positively. Positive look or positivity, it also add on to your interview process. And at the last here is, be honest. Be honest in the sense, don't say everything like I don't know. If you don't know the things, try to answer that. What interviewer is expecting from you is like, they are not expecting 100% answer from you. They should know like you are able to solve the problems what they had given to you. Nobody will answer 100%. At least if you are answering 60%, and if you are trying to solve that problem, or if you are trying to answer the questions what they have asked and they are happy with that, don't be like I have to answer 100%. Nobody will expect 100% answer from anyone. They will check how your problem solving skills, how you are approaching, how your positivity, and how your confidence. These things they will check when they are taking an interview. So here remote interview plays very important role. First one, you should know how to face an online interview. That is, first point is, do a mock interview. If you don't know what mock interview, please comment here, I will help you in this. And then set up your space, that is laptop, internet connection, and also notebook or online presentation or coding. If you are something, if they ask you to draw or something like that, you be ready with that steps and be honest and positive. So these are the three steps which plays very important role in this pandemic. Maybe if you follow these steps, it is easy for you to find a job and go through the all the process of the interview and you can get it. But it's not so easy. Your effort should be there, and don't wait for your luck. You put your effort continuously and for sure you will get it. I guess these tips will help you out, and if you are finding any difficulties, please comment. I will help you how much it is possible from my side to finding a job. Thank you so much. Bye bye.